Hello, this video is going over the 6-count riff, or the 6-point riff, whichever you prefer. Six components: touch, scuff, heel drop, heel dig, toe drop, heel drop. Make 6 beats or sounds. Keep your knees and ankles loose and relaxed. Practice time. Speed it up. Try it again a little faster. This time, go even faster. One more time, as fast as you can. Hello. Hi. I digress. Hello, this video is... Let's go. Hello, this video... Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Hope you're enjoying learning the different riffs that there are, and they're one of my favorite things. Once you learn how to do a riff, I swear you'll never walk the same again. Anywhere you go, you'll be riffing wherever you walk. Stay safe, live well.